Hey everyone, let's be real, choosing a beard trimmer is a nightmare. You're bombarded with ads, fake reviews, and 100 different models that all promise the perfect trim. What if you had a barber in your ear telling you which one is actually worth your cash? That's what we're doing today. No fluff, no sponsorships, just the raw truth. I've put 4 of the most hyped trimmers of 2025 through an absolute gauntlet, from precision lineups to brutal endurance tests. One of them failed spectacularly, one surprised me, and one might just be the last trimmer you ever need to buy. The results are right here. Starting at number 1. The best beard trimmer. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 mg 7750 has enough power to make quick work of thick hair, but not so much that a slight slip will remove a large section of a beard or mustache. It feels great in the hand, and it saves space because it can stand upright on a countertop or in a medicine cabinet. The MG 7750 is an all-purpose beard, hair, and body trimmer. It has 14 guide combs, trimmer heads in 3 widths, a small foil shaver head, and a nose hair trimmer. In our tests, it ran for 5 hours on one charge. The steel blades are designed to be self-sharpening, no oiling needed. The downsides: it's relatively heavy, due to its stainless steel body, and it has a lot of accessories you'll need to keep track of. Number 2. Runner-up. The Wall Aqua Blade 9899 offers the power we've encountered in other wall trimmers, but this model has a larger, more secure grip. So it's easier to achieve precise trimming, and it helps prevent slips that can accidentally remove large chunks of a beard or mustache. The Aqua Blade 9899 has a more powerful motor than most people need, and it also works as a hair and body trimmer. It comes with 12 guide combs, a detail trimmer head, a shaver head, and a nose hair trimmer. The fine-pitch steel blades with ground teeth require a couple of drops of oil every month. Also, unlike our top pick, the Aqua Blade can't stand up on its own, and the stand it comes with is a little clumsy to use. Number 3. Great for goatees. If you have a goatee, you like to keep your beard meticulously groomed, or you just want to spend less, the Philips Norelco One Blade 360 QP2724/90 is a great choice. It looks more like a powered razor than like a typical beard trimmer, but our testers found that its slim, pivoting head made grooming easy and precise. The replaceable head also delivers a close shave, so goatee wearers won't need to keep a separate electric razor around to shave their cheeks. The QP2724/90 includes a single guide comb, adjustable from 1 mm to 5 mm. For goatees and close-trimmed beards, this is fine. If you want a guide comb with wider adjustment range, consider the One Blade Pro 360 QP6531/70, which we review below. Number 4. Best corded beard trimmer. If you want a reliable tool that can cut thick hair down to a stubble, and you don't mind wrangling a power cord, we recommend the Wall Peanut 8655. This less expensive yet powerful trimmer has been our corded pick for 8 years running. And in terms of cutting power, durability, and closeness of trim, it's beat everything we've tested it against. It's stronger than any cordless trimmer we've tried, yet it's lighter, smaller, and more maneuverable. It's also easier to maintain than other pro trimmers and clippers, which tend to have a tank-like construction. But you do have to plug it in. And it comes with only 4 sizes of guide combs and no extra trimmer accessories. So there you have it, the good, the bad, and the genuinely shocking results from testing 4 of the top trimmers. My personal pick for 2025 is clearly the Mention Your Pick, but your perfect match might be different. Whatever you choose, all the links to check the latest prices and specs for yourself are waiting for you down in the video description. If this head-to-head battle saved you time and money, pay it forward. Hit that like button, share this with a friend who's always struggling with their beard game, and subscribe for more no BS reviews. I'm putting a premium electric shaver to the test next, and you won't believe the results. See you in the next one.